Can you use the usual suspects plugins to make a beat? I love the rich sounds from the TI Snow and others. I've seen these plugins around. They've obviously been out for a little bit, so I just downloaded a couple of them. They're not the most easy install, but they are free. And once you know how to install it, it's kind of like the same process for like all of them. I think it's definitely worth it. Like, it's not overly hard. And I think like delving into like sort of the back end of installing plugins is something worth learning anyway. It just helps with like obviously like troubleshooting. I've got this Nordal Red, Osiris, Zenia as well. So what is so cool about this is they run off the DSP 56300. I don't know if I'm saying that right or not, but it's like an emulation of this chip that Motorola designed back in the 90s. So it's a DSP, which is like stands for digital signal processor. It was used in like a wide range of synthesizers from like the 90s to the 2000s. So kind of like Motorola was famous for creating this kind of sound that everyone used. All these synths were known as like virtual analog synthesizers. There's also like effects units as well as synthesizers. So we're going to cook up with these today. But yeah, thank you for the comment, because I have seen these plugins around. They've obviously been around for a little bit on the internet, and I've been meaning to download them, but just because of how you got to jump through a couple hoops just to make it work, it's not super straightforward. So I just kind of haven't had like the push to want to do it. Anyway, let's just make a beat and see what happens. Speed this up a bit. Maybe change the key. So this is a access virus emulation. That's really cool. I don't think we need to do too much. Just like a texture layer. Just trying to move quickly and not really think too much about this. I don't have any presets for Zenia. Dude, this thing rings out. I'm just gonna have to like wing it and try and create something. Alright, that's it for the video. Thank you so much for watching. Any other recommendations, let me know, because yeah, I just enjoy learning about these kind of things. A lot of the time you guys introduce me to new stuff, so yeah, thank you so much, and I'll see you in the next video. One other thing worth mentioning as well, when you download, depending on like what operating system, or like whether you're on Windows, Mac, Linux, whatever, I had trouble with Zenia specifically. The VST3 installed, but it wouldn't work for me. Like whenever I try to play it back, there would be like a split second of sound, and then it would just cut off and it wouldn't work anymore. So yeah, play around with different like plugin, I don't know what they're called, you know, like VST2, component, AU. If it's not working, then just install the other ones as well and see what happens. That's what happened for me. And then also, if you don't have that activated in Ableton, you go into your plugin stuff in the preference menu, and then you might have to like turn these on. VST2, VST3. I know audio units is not on by default. I don't believe it is, but